Hello everyone, it's Setsu, and in today's video I'm going to review a wig that I got from Fehsfen. I already did a video with one of their wigs, and it was a makeup video that you can watch on here or here, I don't know the side. So let's open the package now. It's a blonde one, but the particular thing about this wig is that it's a front lace one, and you will see it looks a lot more natural than the other wigs. Inside the package there is a good smelly lavender thing. Oh, a choker. And a black wig cap. But for a front lace wig, I recommend using a wig cap that is close to your skin tone, and on the top of it I will be wearing a wig cap like this. So this wig is called Blonde Wavy Synthetic Lace Front Wig, and I chose it because I wanted long princess hair. And what I told you about the natural looking wig is thanks to this. It has a lace here, and it looks like the hair are going out of your head, like this. Now I'm just going to trim the excess lace with sharp scissors. And let's try it on. As you can see, it's already looking quite natural thanks to the lace, who gives the illusion of a natural hairline. But right now I need to style the wig because it looks a bit weird on me like that. So I will be back. So the next step is to glue the wig on your head. This step is optional, but if you want to do it, you have to use this glue. I'm going to take a small amount like this. So I'm going to apply it very close of my hairline, but not on my hair. And now I'm going to put the wig on the glue. And to be sure it's not going to move, I'm just putting this here for a couple of minutes. So it's not that bad, even if I have a small red hair on here. But yeah, I like it. Now I'm going to use a spoolie with a little bit of hair gel. And I'm going to take the small hair of the wig and make it look like baby hair. I'm also trimming the hair of the wig to make it look more natural around the hairline. And finally, I'm styling the wig with some cute accessories. So it's done with this wig. It is my first time trying a front lace wig, and I'm quite happy with the result. Besides that, the wig is really lovely and the quality is very good. And oh, I forgot to say that you can use my discount code on the website Fehsfen. It's Setsu. So yeah, don't hesitate to use it. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. And don't hesitate to tell me if you think this kind of hairstyle suits me or not, because I'm still not sure. And I see you in my next video. Bye bye!